Hello everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel crypto underscore rock. So today we will discuss about the cryptocurrency market. What is the sentiment? What we have to do? Is it time to right? Is it right time to invest the money or not? Or is it right time to do the trading or not? So we will discuss here. So let me open the trading view chart. Yeah, so as you can see here, so right now crypto market is giving a slightly improvement here, but I'm expecting this is not good things. Still sentiment it would be down, still market would be goes down. This is my prediction. Because when I see it's a market cap, so currently market cap is running with under $3 trillion, which is not good for us, which is not good for crypto market. And if you talk about fear and greed index, it is came in extremely fair. It's a 10 only. So but yes, as a good opportunities, we can we will discuss with a few coin. And so if you guys want to invest, you can invest, but this is not my financial advisor. So according to your risk, according to your capability, according to your discussion with the financial advisor, you can invest the money. You can take the profit whatever you want. Okay, so we can discuss like here. So like first one is a sui coin. It is came in $1.35. And if you're talking about APT, so APT is a came is $2.33. So it is also running with a good rate, which we can invest the money here. We can take opportunities here. Also, if we talk about it's a Solana is running with $128. So it is a good rate right now. So you can also invest here. You can also do the SIP also. It's not an issue. If you don't want to take risk, then you can do SIP. You can do you can invest the money in spot trading. Don't do the future, because future is currently risky right now. Suppose that is market is going to crash. Suppose that market when to go continuously will go down. Suppose that any single spike would be come back, then you will be then your money would be erased within a second. So I would suggest you, so just avoid the future trading. For now, you can invest the money in good coin through the spot and through the SIP also. So like Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, you can invest the money in spot trading. You can invest the money in SIP through. So that would be good things here. So let's see what will happen. But my prediction is that market will probably goes down again. So because it has been already reached the level 80K level, so it can be down again. So this is my prediction. Also, whatever your prediction is there, you can put the comment box. You can suggest me also, like because this is the new video. So actually our new channel is there, so I'm creating just still I'm learning here, still I'm thinking how can explain, how can prepare the video. So just I would request you just support me, like do the subscribe, do the like, and you can share the video also. Whatever your good coins observed from your end, whatever so like if you're thinking that this coin could be goes up, and this coin would be give us better opportunities, so you can share with us, so that also I can invest mine, so that would be good for us. So okay, so that because actually I'm picking one two two three coins, just like Solana coin, Sui coin, and EPT coins, BNB coin. I started investing through the SIP, through the spot trading. So little bit. So that would be, let's see. But right now situation is that I completely avoided the future trading since 10th October market crash. So maximum amount I have lost it. So right now I'm thinking only I will invest the money spot trading. So let's see. I'm 100% sure it will be give us return in the future and better way. Thank you so much. Please do like, subscribe this video. Thank you so much.